Hello everyone, welcome to Track HR. In this video, we will learn how to create and use a KPI. What is a KPI? KPI is a key performance indicator. We create KPI to give targets, like how many calls did the HR department make for interviews today, or how many emails did it send today. You can create a KPI for yourself as well. You can also create it for any of your team members. To create it for any of your team members, you have to go to the hierarchy. After going to the hierarchy, select the profile of the person for whom you want to create a KPI. You will get the option of KPI on the top right. From here you can create a KPI for that person. Let us now see how you will create a KPI for yourself. Open Track HR on your phone. As soon as you open the app, you will come to the home screen. Click on the plus icon on the Track HR dashboard screen. Here you have to click on the module of KPI module. Here you have to type the heading of the KPI in the description. Now you have to fill the due date. Filling the due date means that the KPI should be filled only till the due date. The KPI should not be filled after the due date. You have to fill the open before days in case of weekly, monthly, half-yearly, or yearly. You can also leave it on auto-calculate. Next you have to fill the field by. You can also keep yourself. Sometimes our KPI is filled by our manager. Like the KPI is of Suresh but Nisha Parashar will fill it. You can give extra information in the remarks. Now you have two options, once and multiple. If you want to keep the target the same for a long period of time, then you will select multiple. After that, you will fill in the frequency. That target is yours daily, weekly, monthly, half-yearly, or yearly. If you want the target to be filled only once, then you will select once. Now you have to choose the type of target. If you select true or false, it will show whether the task is completed or not. If you select number, then you have to fill in the target and units. Here you will save this KPI. This KPI is saved for you. Now we will see how to fill KPI pendencies. For this, open the Track HR app. Now you have to click on the three bars along the home screen. From here you have to select KPI pendencies. Here you have to select the KPI. To fill the KPI, click on the progress option with the pencil icon. From here you can fill in the record of KPI. We'll update the value. Now the value of your will be updated. Here you can see how much your target has been achieved. KPI can be filled only till the due date. But if the target is achieved before the due date, then you can close the KPI even before that. To close the KPI, click on the close button given below. Now this KPI is closed for you. Whenever you want to close the KPI, you will click on the close button. This KPI will be closed for you. Thank you.